Dear student, in this video we will learn the problem of brain teaser of unit 5, that is application of percentage. In the brain teaser, the first question is tick the correct options. I have already made some questions. The first question is 12% of 50 plus 5% of 120 is equal to. So 12% of 50 plus 5% of 120. 12% means 12 by 100. Of means into 50 plus 5% means 5 by 100 into 120. Here cancel 50 to 100 2 times and 2 cancel with 12 6 times. Again 5 cancel with 100 20 times and 20 cancel with 120 6 times. Then you get 6 plus 6, that is 12. So 12 is the correct answer. Again the second question number B, what is 50% of number whose 200% is 20? So here given that 200% is equal to 20, then 1% is equal to 20 by 200, 200 divided by in this side. So 50% is equal to 20 by 200 into 50. We cancel 50 to 200 in 4 times and again cancel 4 with 25 times, so you get 5. This is the answer. Now in question number C, here at what rate of interest per annum should Rita invest if she want to grow her rupees 2500 to 4000 in 5 years? Sita want to grow her 2500 to 4000 in 5 years. You have to find the rate of interest. Here principal is 2500, amount is 4000, time is 5 years, and you need to find the rate of interest. You know that the rate of interest find by using the formula SI into 100 by P into T. Here SI is 1500, time into 100, principal is 2500 and time is 5 years. So cancel 100 with 2500 in 25 times. Again cancel 5. Here cancel 100 with 2500 in 25 times. Again 25 cancel with 25 cancel with 1500 300 times. Again 25 cancel with 300 with 12 times. So you get R is equal to 12%. So R is equal to 12% with the answer. In the question number D, here Rohan gave the pizza delivery person a tip of rupees 30, which was 20% of his total bill. For pizza ordered, how much did pizza cost him? Here given that the Rohan gave rupees 30 to delivery person as a tip, and it is rupees 30 be the 20% of the total pizza cost. You have to find the cost of pizza. So here let the cost of pizza is equal to rupees X. Given that 20% of the pizza cost is equal to rupees 30. How is possible? Because it is given that 20% of the pizza cost given as a tip. So 20% of the pizza cost is equal to rupees 30. So 20% of X is equal to 30. 20% of X means what? 20 by 100 into X is equal to 30. So X is equal to 100 multiply in RHS and 20 divide in RHS. So 30 into 100 by 20. So 20 cancel with 100 5 times and then you get 30 into 5. 30 into 5, that is 150. So the total cost of pizza is rupees 150. Now next question. The next question is, in a country there are 215 highway accident associated with, देखो questions क्या है, कह रहा in a country there are 215 highway accident associated with the drinking alcohol. Out of these 113 आर काउज्ड बाई एक्सेसिव स्पीड, मतलब कह रहा है कंट्री में 215 हाईवे एक्सीडेंट होता है एसोसिएटेड विद ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल. आउट ऑफ दीज एक्सीडेंट 113 आर काउज्ड बाई एक्सेसिव स्पीड. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ द एसोसिएटेड स्पीड रिलेटेड. कह रहा है इन अ कंट्री 215 एक्सीडेंट हाईवे एक्सीडेंट एसोसिएटेड विथ drinking alcohol, and out of these 215 accident 113 accident related with excessive speed. You have to find the percentage of accident related with speed related with speed. So here given that total number of highway accident, total number of highway accident is equal to 215. Number of accident caused by excessive speed is equal to 113. तो percentage of accident speed related is equal to 100. परसेंटेज में कैसे करते हैं, पहले फ्रैक्शन में लिखेंगे 113 एक्सीडेंट रिलेटेड विथ एक्सेसिव स्पीड आउट ऑफ 215 एक्सीडेंट. सो वी राइट इन फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म 113 by 215 और इन परसेंटेज multiply by 100. So you get 113 by 215 into 100. 100 cancel with 5 in 20 times and 215 cancel with 5 43 times. Then you get 113 into 20 by 43. Multiply the 113 into 20, we get 2260 by 43. When divide you get 52.5. 52.5 और आगे भी कुछ नंबर्स आएगा. तो इट इज़ approximately 53%. It is nearer to 53%. So the correct answer is 53%. Now the question number B. The first question is what percent of the numbers from 1 to 20 are divided by 4. कह रहा है what percent of numbers from 1 to 20 are divided by 4. तो numbers divisible by 4 from 1 to 20. 1 to 20 के बीच में कौन कौन से नंबर डिविजिबल हैं? दे आर 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. How many numbers are there? There are 5 numbers which are divisible by 4 from 1 to 20. So the total numbers from 1 to 20 is equal to 20. 1 to 20 में टोटल कितने नंबर्स हैं? 20 नंबर्स हैं. आउट ऑफ 20 numbers 5 numbers are divisible by 4. So we write total numbers divisible by 4 from 1 to 20 is equal to 5. Now you have to find percentage of numbers which are divisible by 4 from 1 to 20. So we write in fractional form. Out of 20 numbers 5 numbers are divisible by 4. So in fractional form we write 5 by 20. And in for percentage we multiply by 100. So we write 5 by 20 into 100. Here 20 cancel with 100 5 times and you get 5 into 5, that is 25%. It means 25% number are divisible by 4 from 1 to 20. Now question number B. In question number B, here question is a child had certain amount of chocolate. He ate 35% of the chocolate, but still he have 13 chocolates. What is the number of chocolate the child originally had? Here given that a child has some chocolates and he ate 35% of chocolate. After that he had remaining 13 chocolate. You have to find the initial number of chocolate the originally he had. तो क्या लिखेंगे? यहाँ लिखेंगे let originally number of chocolate originally he had is equal to x. he या फिर क्या लिखेंगे? परसेंटेज ऑफ चॉकलेट ही एट इक्वल टू 35%. परसेंटेज ऑफ रिमेनिंग चॉकलेट equal to out of 100% 35% chocolate he add, that means remaining percent of chocolate be 65%. Given that number of remaining chocolate is equal to 13. According to question, he had 65% of chocolate and he had 13 chocolate. So 65% of x, टोटल चॉकलेट का 65% किसके बराबर है? 13 के बराबर है. ठीक है. इट मीन्स 65/100 इंटू x इक्वल टू 13. सो वी राइट x इक्वल टू 13 into 100 by 65. 13 cancel with 65 in 5 times. Again 5 cancel with 100 20 times. So originally he had 20 chocolates. Now question number C. In question number C, here question is how many more square must be shaded so that only 30% of the given figure is unshaded. Here how many square? Count them. 1 4 5 5 5 10 14 14 5 19 20. ठीक है. कह रहा है इसमें और कितने स्क्वायर को वो कलर करेगा, शेड करेगा कि ओनली 30% जो है वो अनशेडेड रहेगा. हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर आर देयर? 20. सो वी राइट फॉर सॉल्यूशन नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 20. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ शेडेड स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 2 4 6 8 इक्वल टू क्या होगा? 8. Here question is how many more square must be shaded so that only 30% of the figure is unshaded. So the 30% of the figure is left unshaded. In question he want percentage of square unshaded equal to 30%. तो percentage of square shaded, he want to shaded equal to 100 minus 30%. 100 में क्यों माइनस कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि टोटल परसेंटेज जो होता है वो 100 होता है. तो he want 70% of the total square shaded. So he want the number of shaded square equal to 70% of 20. That is 70/100 into 20. 20 cancel with 100 in 5 times. Again 5 cancel with 70 14 times. It means 14 square. In this question given already 8 square are shaded. In this question given already 8 square are shaded. So number of more square shaded. So the number of more square shaded is equal to 14 minus 8, because 8 square has already shaded and he want to shaded 14 square. So how much more square will be shaded? So 14 minus 8, that is 6 square. So 6 square be the answer. Now question number D. In question number D, here a bucket of 20 liter is 35% full. How many liters of water must be put into so that it is 65% full? ठीक है, तो क्या लिखेंगे, सबसे पहले लिखेंगे सॉल्यूशन में कैपेसिटी ऑफ बकेट, कैपेसिटी ऑफ बकेट, कैपेसिटी ऑफ बकेट इक्वल टू 20 लीटर, परसेंटेज ऑफ बकेट फुल इक्वल टू 35 लीटर। तो so water number of liter of water in bucket 35%, not liter, number of liter of water in bucket is equal to 35% of 20, that is 35 by 100 into 20, 20 cancel with 100 5 times and 5 cancel with 35 7 times, so 7 liter. So we found that in a bucket 7 liter of water. He want the percentage of water in a bucket is equal to 65%. So he want the water in bucket is equal to 65% of 20 liter, that is 65 by 100 into 20, 20 cancel with 100 in 5 times, again 5 cancel with 65 13 times, so we get 13 liter. He want water in bucket, he want 13 liter of water in bucket. Given that in bucket already 7 liter of water, given that here given that in bucket already 7 liter of water, so more water, number of liter more, so number of liter water must put in a bucket is equal to 13 liter minus 7 liter, that is 6 liter. In a bucket already 7 liter of water and he want to 13 liter of water in bucket, so we must put in 6 liter water in bucket, so that 60% of the bucket is full with water. Is it clear? Now question number E. In question number E, the question is Mr. Sanjay deposited rupees 15,000 in a bank for his 5-year-old daughter. As he wishes to give his daughter the amount of rupees 21,000 on her 13th birthday, at what rate of interest should the money is invested? तो देखो, जब उसकी डॉटर 5 ईयर ओल्ड थी तो उसने ये मनी डिपॉजिट किया और डॉटर को कितना चाहिए 21,000 आफ्टर 13 बर्थडे। तो टाइम क्या होगा, 13 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो टाइम हो जाएगा 8 ईयर। सॉल्यूशन क्या लिखेंगे, सॉल्यूशन में हेयर प्रिंसिपल इज इक्वल टू 15,000 बिकॉज ही डिपॉजिट 15,000 and on 13th birthday he gave 21,000, so amount is equal to 21,000. Time क्या है, at the age of 5 year old he deposit the money and withdraw the money on 13th birthday, so between 5 to 13 how many years are there, 8 years, so time is 8 years. Is it clear? Now you have to find rate of interest. For it we need to find simple interest, so So we find the simple interest by using the formula amount minus principal, that is 21,000 minus 15,000. So we get 6,000 as a simple interest. Now rate of interest R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. So here SI is 6,000 into 100, principal is 15,000, into time is 8 year. So 3 0 cancel with 3 zeros. ठीक है, 3 cancel with 6 2 times, 3 cancel with 15 5 times, again 5 cancel with 100 20 times, again 20 cancel with 4 5 times, and 8 cancel with 4 2 times, again 2 2 cancel. So here rate of interest is 5%. So R is equal to 5% be the answer. Today's homework, do question number A and question number B of brain teaser. Thank you.